Okay, now I will introduce how to install this device in the following section. Step 1. Download and install the Magic Shortkey app. Using your iOS device or Android device, enter App Store or Google Play. Search for Magic Shortkey app, download and install it. Now we have to wait for several minutes until it finishes download. Okay, now we finished download. Open the Magic Shortkey app. Step 2. Add a device on your app. Click Add at the top right corner. Click Step Up Wi-Fi connection. Scan QR code. Now you can scan QR code at your instruction menu or your device. Now we scan it at the device. Okay, now enter your Wi-Fi network or plug the device into the power source with power in the outlet and input your Wi-Fi name and password. Please notice at this time you have to make sure your device connected with the same Wi-Fi network with your phone, with your smartphone. Okay, and you have to wait for several minutes until the Wi-Fi configuring finish. Until configuring Wi-Fi setting is finished, the device will be rebooted. Okay, now the device and check OK at the app. Now the device is online and we can make a test. Now let's take the fans to check if we can control the fans remotely. Now the fans is off and now it is on and off, on and off. You can click it at your phone remotely at your house. Okay, thank you.